Kaluwore kod lipod jokedo ne ratich oganda ewi kwan ma jok manye obila ohinyo e ng'anyo manyoro, Cynthia Onyango limo kar thieth ma Kenyatta marango chal makamano. Ka koro gi e kinde ni to wadhi ane mondo wawinj ane achiel kachiel gik ma jokedo ne ratiro ma oganda wacho.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media. This is a press release from Kenyatta National Hospital on the status of the patient we received yesterday, the one major patient and the others that we received in this hospital for care following the demonstrations yesterday. So the Kenyatta National Hospital wishes to provide an update on the condition of a patient who was referred to the facility on the afternoon of Tuesday, the 17th, 2025, who sustained a gunshot wound during the protests in Nairobi's Central Business District. The male patient, who came in as an unknown person and who is believed to be a trader in the CBD, was brought in and received in Kenyatta National Hospital Accident and Emergency Center at 3:16 p.m. yesterday. He was a referral from a clinic within the CBD. Upon arrival at the Accident and Emergency Center, he was noted to be critically ill with a wound on the left side of his head, resulting in bleeding and evidence of severe injury. The emergency care team, led by our emergency care physician, Dr. Janet Sugut, swung into action, stabilized his condition, and placed him on life support. He was then sent for a CT scan of the brain, which confirmed the presence of a bullet. It confirmed that a bullet had struck the left side of his head, and yes, it confirmed that the bullet had struck the left side of his head. The patient was then prepared for surgery, for emergency surgery to mitigate his condition. And at around 8:50 p.m., he was ready, and also our team was ready to start the operation. The patient was wheeled into theater, where a complex and delicate surgery was conducted by a multidisciplinary team under the leadership of our neurosurgeon, Dr. Sam Jiru. The procedure in theater lasted about 2 hours. During the procedure, an object believed to be a bullet was removed. The patient thereafter was transferred to the intensive care unit, where he is being cared for up to this moment. While his condition is critically ill, he is alive and is under close round-the-clock observation and care by our dedicated medical team. In total, ladies and gentlemen, we received 16 casualties in our Accident and Emergency Center yesterday from the demonstrations. The injuries that were described ranged from gunshot wounds to blunt trauma. Of the 16 patients, 7 patients were admitted to the wards for further management. 9 were treated and discharged. As of this morning, 6 had undergone surgery. 2 had undergone surgery, and 4 more were on the theater list, waiting to go to theater this morning. One other patient who remained unidentified as of this morning, having sustained a skull fracture reportedly from blunt trauma to the head. We commend the swift actions of the first responders and the public who ensured the timely referral of casualties to KNH. We also acknowledge the professionalism and dedication of our medical staff who continue to respond effectively under high-pressure emergencies. Kenyatta National Hospital is committed to providing the highest standard of emergency and trauma care. Further updates will be provided as appropriate with due regard to the privacy and the dignity of the patients involved. I close by wishing all the patients who are injured, who are in our care, a quick recovery. Thank you very much.
Any questions?
Sijambo.
Kutoka Sigilai TV, na awali kulikuwa na taarifa kwamba familia ilikuwa imemsoka na kumwona mtoto wao kwenye ICU.